Hey guys, I'm Haley. We're gonna be making buttermilk pie today, and you're...
Oh my gosh, it's the Easter Bunny!
Hey Haley, I'm Haley.
And this is your stirring it wrong.
To start off,
we're going to combine our sugar
our
and
sugar
our butter.
with the butter. I'll grab the butter.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, then do we start blending it?
Yep.
Ooh, I want to do it.
Okay, let me put the attachment on.
We're gonna blend it.
Wait, you gotta raise it first.
Oh. Now we
Perfect.
blend it?
Yes. Okay, now that that's done, we're going
Ooh, what are we making in here?
buttermilk pie.
Ooh, okay, so what are we doing now?
Okay, so now I'm going to add the eggs into this butter and sugar mixture.
So from the looks of it, she split an egg.
Yes, I did. Normally I make 2 buttermilk pies, but we only had 1 pie crust in our freezer. And the reason I'm making this is to get rid of the pie crust. And so I had to split an egg.
Okay, so you use 2.5 eggs,
Yes.
which I'll split an egg right now.
You mean crack it?
There you go.
Here, you can put it in here.
Right there.
Now, we're going to mix it.
Okay, now that we washed our hands, we're going to turn on the mixer and finish mixing this again.
Okay, now our eggs are all well mixed in.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to alternate the flour and
Okay.
the buttermilk. This is going to look like slightly curdled, I guess I would call it. It's okay. That's the way it's supposed to.
Looks
Now
delicious.
we have a
Now,
dash.
a dash.
No, a pinch. Sorry.
pinch.
Pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt, which is about
Like,
this much.
it really is like,
That much.
pinch is not helpful. It's a 16th of a teaspoon.
16th of a
not helpful
teaspoon.
either though, because most people don't have a 16th of a teaspoon.
Yep.
Now vanilla extract.
The vanilla extract. How much?
3/4 of a teaspoon.
You sure you don't want to lick it?
Do it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's done. Now,
Now this bad boy's
and
done.
my unbaked pie crust. You go up and
Okay,
there
I
you go.
got it. Woo.
I'm just gonna pour all of this
Into.
in the unbaked pie crust shell.
It looks like sour milk.
But it's okay,
Maybe.
because after we bake it, it's going to taste very good.
Yeah, it's going to be delicious.
We're going to put it in for 25 minutes and then take it out and cover it with foil and bake it for another 35.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's go.
Alright, our buttermilk pie is done and it's all cooled off, and now we get to eat it.
My piece.
Sure.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can cut it and eat it while it's hot, and then it needs to be stored in the fridge. That's all for today, though. Thank you so much for baking with me, and thank you for baking with me, Bunny. I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.
All right, let's go.